Yeah, what's up, yo? This is Baptiste MC right here. I'm from Africa, Mozambique. Who's 16 bars competition? You check it out. Yeah, what's up, yo? Feel my verses, nigga. Feel my verses. Check it. My verse is the most explosive of a line submersed. I compose mad lyrics who can even come close. Each line I'm kicking is a punch to your nose. Niggas know I drop bombs on the mic to explode. You can't battle me, I'm the greatest MC. The rhymes you can't spit, even my chicken kick. You got the strong wish, but your knowledge is weak. I got the mad skill, I smack your click complete. But I'm from Mozambique, my flow is sick, my flow is deep. I control and destroy this beat. I'm a dopest lyricist with the dopest speech. I'm a lyrical president, you voted me. Every rapper who tried the battle promoted me. I'm a legend, you can't see me on TV. Who's 16 bars, this African is bizarre. Respect my name, no matter who you are. Yeah. Peace, y'all. That's what's up.